Hello, beautiful people. I hope you are guys doing very well. There have very long time I can't upload video on my YouTube channel. But for now I'm consistent. Don't worry, and I'm always upload video on every single topic, anything, open cloud code, and like every single latest technology. Okay, so today's video we're going to learn one N8 automation system that's called SEO Expert Agent. So what is SEO Expert Agent? So SEO means a search engine optimization. So what is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization means if your search engine optimization is good, so you get more chance to rank uh, Google search. If someone searching best doctor in Dhaka, so if your search engine optimization is good, so when people search your profile or website come first. So that is why SEO is like most insane things. Like people are paid tons of dollars for this SEO in website, but we're going to make this SEO expert agent in anything, and you can sell this system in your client in freelancer anywhere like SEO expert. But the system is a little bit basic. You just learn basic, and next video I'm going to show you one of like this is the advanced system. uh, Perfect. So this is the main system. This is the main system. uh, so in this video I'm going to explain this full system, how it works, and I'm going to mm, run this system in front of you and in this video. Perfect. So let's go ahead with this video. Perfect. So let me just one things. Okay, it's working. Okay. So first of all, we use this on submit. I'm sorry. Okay. So first of all, we use this on form submission node. So why we use form submission node? So you because using this node we're able to send our website uh, for other agent processing. Okay, so let me if I execute this node, so then we're going to clear. So this is a from node. In this form, we are passed our website and then AI agent processing and give output in Gmail. So whenever I run this workflow, then we'll get a more idea. Perfect. So for now, we're going to skip. But let's run. Let's run. Let's run. So let me give my website. Let me give my website. Let's copy it. Yep. Go ahead and then skip. Yeah, just submit. So let's run it. Let's run it, and then I'm going to explain you. So what for? Well, perfect. So oh damn, I'm sorry. Execute workflow first of all, and then paste it. Yeah. Then we're going to see the. Don't worry, I'm going to explain this all stuff. What is metadata? What is content? What is merge node? Why you use again agent node, and why we use send message node. Okay, so let's run it and wait for a while. Perfect. So you can see the workflow successfully executed, and we got one response in here. So let's visit our Gmail. Let's visit Gmail. So you can see I got a response now. Okay, so quick SEO audit. Your website is missing out 70% of potential traffic. So yeah, of course we get a very nice and very cool response because we're use Anthropic for running Anthropic because we're use Anthropic here. But still I'm going to explain me uh why you're how you can like set up this workflow. Perfect. So we use on form submission node for submit website. Then we use HTTP node. So and the method is get, and URL is just drag and drop website from here. Okay, so why we use HTTP request, and why we use this node was Because yeah, let me explain. If because this node extract all HTML data from website. This HTTP node. What is HTML? Those who SEO expert or website related worker, they know what is HTML. But for now, you just think all website data, but it's a format of HTML, not text. Okay, so why we need HTML format? Because AI agent doesn't read website properly. But if you give them website HTML data, then they're able to read the website properly. So that is why we first of all scrape HTML data. Then after scraping HTML data, we keep this two data. We give this one data from metadata and content expert. Metadata and content export. Okay, so metadata and content expert. So what is metadata and content expert works? So first of all, metadata means like description, title, and SEO related tags and stuff. Metadata tags or something. And content means like website content, text, some cards, website cards, then products. So this is these things in websites. It's called content. So these things, so after getting HTML data, these two agents analyzes this all data from website using this OpenAI brain, using this OpenAI. Uh, okay. So let's see this node. Let's visit. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, so we mentioned here that your SEO analyzer, I have attached website HTML data, analyze the website suggestion of metadata improvement, and we drag and drop it here. We drag and drop it here. Okay, so here is the HTML data. You can see here, this is HTML data. Okay, uh, so okay, I just remove it. Unfortunately, um, you can use separate chat models for separate chat model like this, but I'm going to use one model for both agent. Okay, so now is the interesting part. So after analyzes this metadata and content expert, then we combined two, we get two output, right? We get metadata output and content output. So let's show you our output. You can see this is output and this is content expert output. Okay, so but we get one output, but we want to get one output like this. But if you if so that is why you we use merge node combined these two data into combine these two data. Okay, so uh, if we don't use aggregator node now and use just email, you can see and execute the workflow. You can see we get two email. Okay, but we don't want two email. We want one email with this two data. So that is the reason we use aggregator node. So aggregator node can combine these two data into one data. If if you see, we get two data into this merge node, but if whenever you use this aggregator node, you can see we get one item. If we show, you can see we get one item to get one item. So this is what we need. This is what we need. Okay. So now you combine these two output like metadata output and content output. So now we need like let's see. Okay. Let's see the prompt. You have got two response from two different AI agent and one from metadata analysis or another from content data analysis. Now act as a SEO expert and analyze both the result and giving short but effective message. So we'll use this AI agent node for I mean nice email body and subject generate because we get to output and just send to output. This is not a right way. we combine this output and make a nice output format, then we're able to send. So use this node for this purpose. So, and for better output and better, I mean, nice format, we use Anthropic, but still you can use Gemini, ChatGPT for cheap stuff. But I have API, so that is why I use Anthropic API key. And then we use structure output parser for this. For adding this node, you need to on this. You need to on this. So then you're able to get if I able to get able to add this output person node. So in here you can see just we add subject body, write the subject in here, write the email body here for custom email body. Yeah, so that's very easy. And then we'll use this send email message. Just go here and search search Gmail. Okay, and you can see here send a message. So use this node and then go here. So for using this node you need to connect your Google account. So how you connect your Google account, I already make a video about it. So just you can see in I button. So watch this video and connect your account, then you're able to successfully run this SEO expert agent. So just copy this system, just copy here, just add your email here, so that you can get output in your email. Subject is just drag and drop from here, body is just drag and drop from here. Yeah, and the email type is type from is text, not by HTML. Yeah, that's all about it. Okay, so now we're just thinking how I get templates. So don't worry, for getting template, just go here, just go this aditya-anytime.gumroad.com, and then just scroll down. Okay, okay, and then you can see the SEO expert agent. So just go ahead and input 0 and just download it with $0. So yep. So I hope you understand this full SEO expert agent, and but subscribe my channel, because in this channel I also upload go high level, open glow, and many advanced stuff in this channel. So to always update with me. uh, yeah, so that's all about it. Have a great day.